Hi, I'd like to introduce myself and share a little bit about my experience and why I've done this course. I've been mind mapping 25 years, pretty much every day. I learnt my skills in the intensive cauldron of third year of law school. I got my degree and then I went on to being a primary school teacher. And while I was a primary school teacher, I used it intensively to teach the children as a teacher. I also taught them how to do it a little too. And I've started businesses, I've done community work, I've public speaking, and all sorts of different activities. I'm a designer and a coach, and in all of those, there's been a common theme all the way through, and that is using a mind map to take and assimilate all that information so that I can internalize it and share it with other people. It's been the constant theme that has made all the complexity of my life and the work that I've done possible, so that I can have everything in one place that I can easily review and easily share. I've done all of this whilst being strongly dyslexic. I only realized that 10 years ago when I went back to university for the second time and got a dyslexia test. And the assessor told me that I needed to learn how to mind map so that I had the most efficient studying technique possible. When I told her I already knew how to mind map and I'd been doing it for 15 years, she said, "That's probably why you've operated so effectively in these different academic areas and as a teacher, because otherwise I probably wouldn't have." So it's been useful in all sorts of ways that I didn't realize. During this time, I have taught many people how to mind map. Primary school children, high school children, and whole classes of university students to learn how to study effectively. And I'd like to do that here for you. What motivated me to do this video course and to condense my 25 years of experience was seeing my daughter sitting down to study, and we had a conversation about using a mind map. And I realized that although she knew the basics of how to mind map, she didn't have the confidence to use it as a tool for studying everything that she was looking at. And I realized that there are so many people out there that don't have the advantages I was given as I was learning how to study and mind map. And so I wanted to put it all together into a video course because I really love time-lapse photography, where you can take a half-hour drawing of a mind map or a 5-minute drawing of a mind map and condense it into 10 seconds or a minute so that people can see the reality of how to draw a mind map from beginning to end over and over again in different scenarios without it taking 3, 4, or 5 hours. So this course is an opportunity to take what would normally take a long time to learn a short time because of the technology of time-lapse photography and video. So this course is dedicated to all those high school students, college and university students out there who want an effective tool and my way of paying back a little bit and paying it forward, especially to those working students out there, and in particular to my daughter who's studying. I hope she actually watches these videos too. I hope you enjoy the course, and I'm looking forward to hearing all your comments and ideas and experiences and interacting with you. I'm really looking forward to that.